My solicitor just called me and said Costco won't be present at the trial, and this is like boggling to me. The powers of we've allowed the legal system and our society to rule us. Basically, if somebody shot you, the first person you'll expect to be in court, brought in by the police, is the defendant. But here, somebody drop a washing machine from 30 feet, they don't have to turn up in court. Here we are, the innocent party, but we have to be there. It's like it's appalling the way we've allowed the world and our legal system and our country to be run. To think that you think they would have to be in court to be accountable for their behavior for nearly killing 2 people. But no, somehow between our solicitors, the police, the judges, and the whole legal system and its authority that governs it, they don't need even to be accountable to come and, they nearly killed 2 people. Doesn't mean a damn shit, basically. We mean so little to the world society we belong to. It's unbelievable from what I can see. This whole case is like just a big joke. We could have died. We could have been flattened. They would have had to scrape us off the floor. And then it probably would never got to court, because they will say we climb up the bloody shelf 30 feet and pull the damn washing machines on us. But it just goes to show, that what are we a part of? We're part of a big joke. This case is going to be nothing but a big joke. I have no respect at all whatsoever for the British legal system. I think it's so corrupted that, I'm a surprise. When you go on holiday in different countries, you don't sort of think of these things. If you have an injury there, that you're going to be faced with this pathetic legal system. I wonder, have countries like Malaya, Japan, and France, and Germany got the legal system that we have? Is it the same in the US? I'm absolutely blown that this company that could nearly killed us. Who would like to be, how would you like if I shoot a gun at you or drop a washing machine from 30 foot of you? Which one would you sooner have, And to think that one is quite politically correct to drop a washing machine on somebody for 30 foot and don't have to even be accountable. Why the washing machine? Do you know that the police couldn't figure out why the washing machine fell from 30 feet? I would hate for this police force over here to come and sort our cases out, if we were killed. Because they must be the most stupid bloody bunch of police force in the world, But I'm stunned to think that they don't have to turn up in court. It'd be interesting in what you lot think about it. But I'm absolutely, I thought I'll do this video because I'm quite shocked to think that this company that nearly killed the both of us don't have to, turn up in court. What do you think? I thought I had this. We'll be in court with Costco's insurers and their solicitor and their barrister arguing about bloody washing machines falling from 30 feet, And I bet you they don't want to even talk about the washing machines falling from 30 feet. They have engineered this case so well with the judges and the legal system that they only want to be talking about the payout. They don't want to know about the washing machines falling on us. They just want to know about the payout, and we got to stand there, forget about this damn well washing machines falling on us from 30 feet, and explain why do, what payout are we willing to accept and what not, And then if we're not willing to accept the payout that is offered, the judge will decide you know, if I come and chop your arm off, he will decide what the arm is worth, This, man, this is all quite interesting and boggling, to me. I just think the whole system is gone so chaotic, it's beyond comprehension, like, if I chop your arm off and I decide later on what I think your arm is worth, what do you think your arm is worth if I chopped it off and I've got the opportunity to decide, what your arm is worth, and because don't you believe for a moment that our judges, it's not, the corporate, all the people that rule us are all from the same school, basically, and then they're going to decide. They chop your arm off and they're going to decide what it's worth, and then you have to go in for an appeal. This case has gone on for over 5 years, we've suffered. And they're trying to kill us off so they don't have to, be accountable for anything. Then, they can't, like dead people, they probably offer our bloody children some bloody cash in their pocket or something,